Okay, so now we have a PRD. Before giving this PRD to Claude and generating all the taskmaster tasks, we would need to configure taskmaster inside that container. So if you remember from previous whiteboard sessions, we have like literally one Claude and taskmaster sitting inside my laptop. And then we created this container as well, this div container, in order for us to run this dangerously skip permissions feature of Claude so that it can go on autonomy. Now, the same two CLIs, Claude Code and Taskmaster, are running both on my computer and as well inside this Docker container. So we'll have a look at this now. This is a Docker container running inside div container and being served through this Docker desktop here. Now, if I go to my terminal, this is my terminal running inside my computer. You can see this. If I type here, let's say if I type here Claude and then go to MCP list, you can see here there is a taskmaster MCP server connected, shows connected. That is the correct configuration that we're looking for. But if I go here and if I type Claude and if I type /mcp list, I don't have any MCPs listed here. So the way you would want to add an MCP in here is this command. I will leave it in the comments of this video. So you need to add an MCP and add your API keys. Right now, my API keys are okay. I will delete them, but keep these API keys secret with you. So I'm going to just paste it here. Make sure that you're on this terminal of the container, not inside the terminal of your computer. And then hit enter. You should see a message like this. Now, if I go to Claude inside the container and then /mcp list, I should see this connected feature. This connected, I don't mean disconnected, but this one text called connected should be in there, just the same way as we saw it on our computer. This MCP list, something like this. It's okay if this check mark is not green because this is a different terminal. It's blue. It's just theme color of the task. So with this, literally, we have configured our MCP server from Taskmaster to Claude. Now Claude can have access to Taskmaster. And in the next video, we're going to generate all the tasks required that will basically create all the next steps of this Next.js application. See you in the next video.